Well, I'm out off of Mountain Loop Highway, just past Red Bridge. Uh, Honestly, couldn't tell you the name of the river that I just drove over, but I'm sitting here off of River Road. Gonna go have myself a snow adventure. Figured I would bring my camera along and let you guys kind of enjoy some of the scenery. It's definitely one of the best parts about coming out here. Just not something you get to see every day. Thanks for clicking the video. Like and or subscribe if you would. I try to post the enjoyable things I like to do when I can. Enough jibber jabber. Let me get you all mounted up and we'll go for a walk. Hopefully you guys can see okay. I'm thoroughly enjoying this head mount that I got from my friend Tyler for Christmas. Super stoked. Tons of new GoPro attachments, which you can never really have too many of. I think what I'm going to do is try to find a trail that I remember seeing along the side of this embankment, take me directly out to the river, find a spot to dig a little day camp and make some food or just warm up some hot water and sit in the sunshine and enjoy it. It's not too cold. I'm pretty well bundled up as of right now. I'm looking for the easiest way down. This road here continues up to another bridge, crosses a creek that runs into this river here, and eventually turns into private property where it is very well posted that there is no trespassing. I could walk this road all the way up and turn back around, but really the thing about being over here is getting down to the river. The snow today is pretty solid. I went out yesterday further down the river and it didn't look like snow, it looked like icicles, just I don't know, ice shavings, super sparkly, but it didn't look like snow. It's definitely a freeze. I think I can get down this way right here. I brought a simple pack with me today. It's one that I always carry in the truck. A good walking pole, good shovel, I don't know if you can see that. Excellent treads. It's very important especially if you plan on doing any snow hiking. Where there's snow, you'll usually find ice, especially well-traveled areas, because it gets packed down, melted, and then refreezes. Looks like someone's already done the hard work. Footprints here, remnants of people have the same idea. Oh yeah, that wasn't too bad, easy enough. Normally in the summertime this is all flooded and there's no real way to get over. But today is a perfect day. Just follow these tracks here. Gotta adjust. From the looks of it, these tracks are pretty old. Definitely not from this morning. It hasn't snowed, it's just they've collapsed on themselves and refroze. It's always nice to be able to get out to a spot that you really enjoy, and not that people are a bad thing, but sometimes you're just looking for nature and that's it. Oh, so beautiful. Red Bridge. Across the river here is one of my favorite little spots to go camping. I don't know if you can see all the sparkles. The snow changes when it gets closer to the water. And you can definitely tell that you're walking with water underneath of you. You can hear the difference. And you wonder how far you're standing above very cool. It's dangerous. Get out too far, end up all wet. I feel fortunate I can come and see a place like this and still be close enough and I don't have to worry. If I get wet, I can just go back to the truck. Oh, it's so tempting. Even now I can hear the ice. Ice beneath my feet. Maybe I'll find a way to cross up here. Really don't feel like getting wet today, but I most definitely want to find an awesome spot to set up. tell you, that sound, it wakes you up quick. I expect the sun to travel a bit further over. More time I spend out here. What may be in the sun right now will turn to shade soon. So if I pick a spot in the shade with my eyes on the sun, I should be able to gain a bit of sunlight today. Let's go check out a spot over here. I love waterfalls. I think it's just the sound. Oh, it's beautiful. Even out of a drainage ditch. I always have to be mindful when I take the transition from snow to rock, especially when wearing traction devices on my shoes. They're specifically meant for snow and ice, and they don't do well on dry, hard rock. There's not enough friction to hold your footing like there is with rubber and rock, as it is with metal. So you may think that you're in the clear, and most definitely find yourself slipping around more so. Now any part of these rocks which are visible right here on the water is going to be nothing but ice. So sharp points that let you dig in will give you the most traction. Beautiful. If it was a bit warmer, I may say it'd be a good day for a swim, but I just don't see that happening today. We'll walk back up this way and see what we can see. Maybe we'll cross under the bridge. There's still maybe a way across. I'm not going to jump from iceberg to iceberg. See, look at that shelf there. If you walk wrong or not watch your path, you'll be stuck out with no way back. We're sitting good ways above the ground. That's why it sounds so hollow. And there's water underneath of us too. That's okay. It is exciting. Let me keep watching for a spot and I'll have you come back with me.